So I was running around trying to do everything, trying to control everything. I was knackered and I was smashing plates. And I knew, because about 2 years ago when I joined the supper club, I'd started paying attention and realised that that was where I needed to get to. So that was what I set out to do. What actually happened was that I did that. So I put a load of people in, recruited the team of people, and then kind of just was like, oh God, I need a rest, and sort of turned my mind away from it, which meant people started needing my help and I was not around. And you know, this guy needs some help. This guy, which isn't very well drawn, is starting to wobble but doesn't even know it because he can't spot it. So I realised then that I needed to have another little go at it. So regrouped, got back, and then I started doing that. And that is quite well drawn, a pissed off face. And you know, obviously 2 people trying to shake that plate is not going to work. So the problem is, I think when I've been going to supper club dinners and sort of listening to people talking, listening to people kind of just chatting about it, everybody already knows this, right? People know that they need to get this team in place, and they know that they need to let people do it, they need to own it, and they need to not fuck around with it too much, and they need to you know, just give people space and not pile in. But because of the chimp, people can't really manage it. And it's a failure to manage the situation, but it's a failure to manage themselves and specifically their own emotions. The sort of analogy that I had in my head when I was writing this was that it's like a sugar addict who's standing in front of a massive chocolate cake. These people just can't resist diving back in. And I was one of those people, I still am one of those people from time to time. And I'd hear people saying things like, you know, I know I should leave them to it, and they're just not good enough to do what needs to be done. And you know, I'd be hearing all these people talking about it, and just realising that, you know, the problem is you and managing yourself